All right, pink used to be associated with women. Now it's a symbol of solidarity in the fight against breast cancer. Elena Norbeck from Cincinnati Premium Outlets back this half hour to show us even macho men can wear pink. Good morning, Elena.
Good morning.
Yeah, this is a cool segment because some guys might be afraid to wear pink, but you're saying, hey, sport it.
Exactly, sport it. During the month of October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we are seeing that most of the men's clothes that are available in pink are in the lighter tone. So we're not doing much of the fuchsias. It's more of the light pink. So we brought looks from 3 of our 100 stores to show you.
And the first model is rocking a work look in pink too.
Yeah, so our first new view model is showing us how to take pink to the office. So we started with a pink button-up top layered with a pink tie. So pink on pink, definitely the way to go. And this looks from Brooks Brothers Factory store. We finished it off with a pair of navy slacks. You can see how you could really mix and match pink with really any color slack. You could do it with gray, black, khaki. And then we finish it off with a great pair of shoes from Cole Haan. Now, right now at Cincinnati Premium Outlets, we do have our pink event. When you donate $10 to Susan G. Komen, you can save an additional 25% off in participating stores. So it's a great way to give back.
All right, looking good in the office and also looking good on the golf course.
Yes.
Take a look at this polo.
All right, so our next new view model is wearing this look from Izod. We started with this hat that even shows a little pink ribbon on the side showing his support for the cause. And then one of their pink golf polos. This is the moisture wicking material, so it's very comfortable.
Yeah, important too, because sometimes it gets hot out there on the course.
Exactly. And then finished off with some great gray shorts and some fun black and white shoes from Cole Haan. Now his shirt, hat, and shorts you can get for around $50 for all 3 pieces, so it's also a steal.
Yeah, those shorts look comfortable too. If maybe ladies, you have some guys to buy for. A great idea to send them out to the golf course looking good in pink.
Absolutely.
Our next model, rocking kind of the relaxed, looks like he's going to happy hour with some friends after work or something.
Perfect. So our third model is wearing a look from Banana Republic Factory store. Now this is a more slim fit top, so this is a striped pink button up. He could tuck this in if he wanted to wear it a little bit more dressy, but we left it out to keep it casual, and then did a nice slim fit denim, and then finish it off with a great pair of suede boots. We're seeing a lot of these suede boots this fall season as well. So they are all rocking the pink for us this season.
Yeah, and you talked about that event that you guys are having on Saturday. Remind folks again how they can go out and give back to Susan G. Komen at the same time.
Absolutely. So this Saturday, October 18th from noon to 4, we're going to have Self Magazine at Cincinnati Premium Outlets. They're going to be doing a pink fashion show.
Oh, wow.
We're doing nail polish stations, yoga lessons, prize giveaways, and even a chance to win a Tory Burch Fitbit. So come check us out, premiumoutlets.com for all the details.
What time on Saturday again?
Noon to 4.
Noon to 4. Keep that in mind. Guys, you look great. Thanks for coming in. If you want more information on what Elena just talked about or any of the looks you saw right here, just go to our website, fox45now.com, and click on Fox 45 in the morning.